Hi guys and gals, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I just wanted to make a video on how to manipulate schema, some coding in the background that will help you design your site. I put this in one of my lessons, I believe lesson 10, but I thought it was important enough because I did a search on YouTube and I could not find any place how to do that, so I just had to figure it out on my own. So basically what I'm going to do is we're going to change the image size here. We're going to change this area here. I just felt it was too far apart. Those are three widgets right there. And then, what else would I do? There's one more thing. I'm thinking. About section banner, logo, banner. Oh yeah, the banner. So this was too dark. And I didn't want it that dark. And anyways, I'll show you what I mean. So if you go into, I'm assuming you already have everything set up, schema in there and stuff. It's just you need help with this particular situation. Go to your appearance, go to your custom. Okay, I'm going to put code down in the description. You can grab that and use it on your own. All I ask is if this helps you out, just subscribe to the channel, like us, and share. Do what you can do for us. So now I just got to remember where to put the stupid code. Oh yeah, additional CSS. Okay, so you can see I already have the code here. And let me see here. I actually want to do this real quick. Like, all right, just so I know what's what. So this is for the logo. So really what I concentrate is on here is the width. So 150 is what I have it on. So you can put it anything you want. You can see, you can go major crazy if you want. I just do 150. And then padding is self-explanatory. So if you need some padding for the top, just go ahead and put it there. Okay, and the next one's going to be the banner. Let me just put this here real quick. So when you get this, when it downloads, or uploads, I should say, to your sites, this is what the banner looks like. It's awfully dark. So I put it like on 3 or 4 because I want people to see the image better. I'm going to put it on 4. All right, so that's for the banner area. And then finally for the about section and these 3 widgets, I forget what the other ones are called, but you'll see them in the widget section. So you can manipulate these as well. So this is the about. I got it on 50. You can put it to 10. You can put it to whatever you want. I'll put it to 50. Oops, get this out of here. This is the section, I guess, tab or client tab, whatever. And you can do the same thing. Oops, 10. Oops, geez, 10 EX or whatever you want to do. You can do top too here. Actually, I'll put this in. So you go padding, top, boop, 10 PX if you want. If you want to do that, I'll put that in the code as well. I'll change that a little bit. And then you just publish it. And I'll put that at 10. So just publish it, and then it will all show up on your website. So that's for schema, folks. I hope that helped. I was looking around. I couldn't find how to do that. So now there's a video online, if there isn't, on YouTube showing how to do that. Okay, folks. Thank you very much. Please share, like, and subscribe. That will help the channel a lot. We're still growing, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.